Imagine this AI tool that literally creates an entire video script, voiceover, visuals, and even edit in just some seconds. No timelines, no dragging clips, no editing headaches. Like I tested it myself and I was thought like I was wow. If you are a content creator or marketer or even a beginner with zero video skills or no subscribers, this particular AI tools will change everything for you. So stay with me because I will show you exactly how it works, what it can do, and get the best out of it. Plus, I'm going to share a secret tricks to make your videos with this AI stand out even when everyone else starts using it. So if this is the kind of video you want to see today, hit that subscribe and like button and hit the notification bell so that each time I publish video like this, you'll get notified. Let's dive into it. This AI tool is called InVideo AI, and it's not just another editing app. It is a full-on video creation assistant. All you have to do is just type what your video is all about. Literally just a prompt and it will create your script, your voiceover, your stock footage, your captions and background music. And within seconds, guess what? You have got a polished video ready for you to post on your channel. So I'm going to tell you my experience with these AI apps, AI tools. When I first tried this AI tool, I typed in to the top 5 tips for growing on YouTube fast, and guess what? Within 90 seconds, guys, I had a complete video.
So we're in like Thailand here, like a street food store.
From bustling streets to hidden alleys, the world's greatest culinary treasures are often found right on the street. Swift hands craft, sizzling delights.
That's incredible. That is
bursting with flavor. From New York to New Delhi,
Indian.
each corner tells a tasty tale.
Like New Delhi.
Noodle dance, spices sing, and grills serenade the senses. Every bite tells a story of tradition, innovation, and pure culinary passion. This is street food, a global feast for the senses, served with a side of adventure.
No editing timeline, no hunting for stock clips. It was like a team of creators, writers, and voiceover artists on demand. I have this team of this AI doing all of this for me. So if you have not heard about this AI is a wonderful AI tool that will help your videos to be ready for post. So go to their website. I'm going to tell you how these AI tools work so that you can start using it to publish your videos. So this is how these AI tools work. Go to their site, the InVideo AI site, and type your video idea. I will also drop the link in the description section, and then after typing your video, it will automatically write the script for you. You can edit it if you want or even leave it as it is. It generates a voiceover in natural AI voice. Yes, the tool automatically pick visuals. They will pick visuals, add some music, and format everything. Yes, you export and upload. Done, right? You don't need editing experience or even a camera. This AI tool is trending right now. Like, people are using it to create videos. You'll be like, how is this people making it? How is this people being consistent? How is this people making this an amazing video, this professional video? But the secret to their videos is this InVideo AI. Like, I had a YouTuber titled Dan the Creator. He made about this AI tools. I was like, what is this AI tools all about? I went to his description section and found the link to this AI. I have to register. I have to click on the link and started seeing the amazing works of these tools. If you are a small creator, this will save you hours of stress every week. It will save you hours of editing. It will save you hours of scripting, your voiceover. Every single week you are uploading your videos. If you're a business owner, you can churn out content without hiring editors. If you are a marketer, this is the best video tool for you. It will test your video ads quickly without expensive work production, and the best part is that it can create faceless videos, making it perfect for niche YouTube automation channels. If your niche is YouTube automation channels, congratulations, this is the best AI tools you are going to use to make your videos and post it at any given time, and you stay consistent. Now I'm going to give you examples of niches you can use it for. You can use it for tech reviews, you can use it for top 10 lists, for motivational videos, real estate explainers, finance breakdowns, and product tutorials. These tools open the door for all faceless YouTube channel, daily upload, and even passive income if used smartly. You unlock your earnings on this YouTube platform. So if you are not using this app, or if this is your first time of hearing about this app, do well to subscribe to the channel, because what is coming on this channel, like, it is mind-blowing. Like, you will be like, wow, this channel is giving us all the things we have not heard about. So this InVideo AI, it is trending everywhere, creating script, doing everything for some people. I have tried it for 2 times on my video, and it gave me amazing video. Now here is the trick to stand out. You need to customize the script before hitting the generate button. Add your personal insights, all the things, your pain points, the thing you want the AI to generate for you, the humor, or your unique word angles, because everyone will be using these tools soon. Personalizing your videos is a human edge that AI cannot replicate. So make your video with this AI in a way that it is yours and nobody is going to use it, and you are not going to get a copyright word strike. So if you have been struggling with editing, or just don't have the time to create your high quality videos consistently, InVideo AI might just be the shortcut you have been waiting for. Let me know in the comment section what niche you want to use this AI tool for. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial, I'll drop that next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you find this video helpful, and turn on the bell icon, because this AI waves. It is only just beginning. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe to the channel, because my next video will be so amazing. If you want to grow on YouTube, join the family. I want to be your friend.